Well, we're gonna do something I hope turns out okay. I've got this tiny little camera, like really tiny, and 150 pounds of counterweight, including the hanger. It's gonna be running this leg pretty hard. It may break. I don't know. All right. So, may break the machine, lose the camera. Winds about 6 miles an hour. So I don't know if it's recording or not. Well, it went. I have no idea what the timing is. I made a bunch of adjustments before the shot. Closed the gap, pulled the pin back. I don't see anything broken, bent, or otherwise. It looks fine. I'll go get the dart. It's right on line, right down the middle. Second pole, it's like a little over 700. Looks like there's no rotation, so that's what we were hoping for. The tape is just trying to improve the aerodynamics a little bit. Well, hopefully I operated the little camera correctly. I'll go see what's up. It's raining. I have the dart, the new camera dart. We shot it the last time. It was over 700, but I didn't get the camera on. Okay, it's recording. All right. All right. Taking off the safety. Yeah, that's not gonna be good. Oh my God. Alright, this should be good. Rain coming down, and good luck. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Second pole. Just passed it. Yeah, bam! Holy crap, that hit hard. The camera's still working though. I hope.